Anand.
Hello, hi tonight.
Yeah, hi. So today, இப்போ நம்ம வந்து பார்க்கறது ஆனந்தோட ஃபார்ம் தான். So Anand, please share your experience about home breeds. You are a specialist in home breeds.
I don't want to be claim a specialist in anything, but I've been breeding for the past almost 1.5 years now. And like எல்லாரும் மாதிரி ஃப்ளவர் ஆன் சின்ன வயசுலேருந்தே வச்சிருக்கேன். அதுக்கப்புறம் கொஞ்சம் மெடிசன்லாம் படிக்கிற டைமில் ரொம்ப ஒன்றும் கான்சன்ட்ரேட் பண்ணல. So like நான் like first standard, second standard இருக்கும்போது டைம்ல இருந்தே I know flowerons were there. Back then where flowerons used to be these huge fishes which are like trimac and totally different fishes. They're not like this hybrid of floweron. அந்த டைம்ல ஃப்ளவரன்ஸ் எல்லாம் பார்த்துட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் லைக் ஆல் ஆஃப் சடன் ஒரு 10 years பிரேக் எல்லாம் விட்டுட்டு திருப்பி had become like even more tailor made. It had a huge cock, it had a lot of colors, a lot of pearls. Like முன்னாடி எப்படி இருந்ததுக்கும் இப்படிக்கும் இவ்வளோ டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் இருக்கே என்னன்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஒரு 2 years back I just started what I started learning about. I met a few nice people in the hobby and I started gathering information. I started slow. Now it's like I have like around 40 to 45 tanks, and now I only like mostly breed only home breed now. I'm not doing so much of other things. I don't have time also, to be honest. So another home breed fishes motto. SRDs, I was doing a little bit of Kamfas also. Kamfas, to be honest, people who do Kamfas, they are great people. There are a lot of people. There is Raven, there is Dino, and all of them are doing great because, to be honest, enala avlo panna mulla Kamfa ala enak and time and space kudukka mulla. Kamfas is a whole different ball game, but I am concentrating on SRDs. I'll openly tell because I could make a little money out of it, and also I feel I'm doing a little good job in it. So I just thought I'll go ahead with that.
Okay. So இப்போ எவ்வளோ fishes உங்க ஃபார்ம்ல இருக்கு? Like how many parent fishes you have? Could you please...
Parent fishes alone, I have close to 10 pairs of my parent fishes. The one like you want to yeah, I'll show you a few of my parent fishes also. I have got almost 10 pairs of parent fishes now, and most of them are my home breeds now, except for the females which I like to mix and match from other people. I take females, whatever good female is there, I take it from Thailand raw or home breed. I to change the line or see how the output it is. So females I take from a lot of people, but most of the males are mine. Some extraordinary males if I see. Now I'm something which I see extraordinary I buy. I don't buy otherwise.
Okay, so let's see our fishes. Like
yeah, please. These fellows are my home breed. They are like, you could see like something.
It's a fader action, right?
Yeah, it is turning into a fader, but like a nice one.
Okay.
This is another SRD. And most of my some extraordinary home breed fishes I have sold up to 5,000, 6,000. But generally, like usual things, I start from as good as from 1,000, 1,500 too. I'm talking about juvenile size. I'm not selling much of fries now anymore. ரொம்ப ரெகுலர் கஸ்டமர்ஸ் ரொம்ப நாளாக எடுத்துகிட்டு இருக்காங்க. லைக் எல்லாம் ரொம்ப தெரிஞ்சவங்களுக்கு மட்டும் தான் கொஞ்சம் ஃப்ரைஸ் தரேன். இப்போ எனக்கு அவ்வளோ ஃப்ரைஸ் தரதுக்கு எனக்கு இல்லை. So I'm just having my and I also have a setup to groom juveniles. Nala na romba fries ipo velila tharadilla. So this is the thing for. This is actually, you can see his head. This is book
are now again for sale.
Oh, the shape of it.
Shape of the, it's like almost like a strawberry.
Yes.
Silky. I can like I'm just keeping him just like that because I thought I'll try breeding also because he's almost going to this 4.5 inch.
Yes, yes. Also somewhere marking.
Okay, we'll take one there.
It's okay, no problem. Actually, எனக்கு இதோட பொறுத்து செம்மையா இருக்கு.
Yeah.
Whitish silver, right? That gives them a unique pattern actually. So people are interested to take a combo, you can have here.
Yeah, all are like these can all be tried for good breeding. They have good genes in them. எல்லாத்துக்கும் trim எல்லாம் like swings எல்லாம் trim பண்ணா they look even more good but not done anything. Three of them are the same.
So these are come under 1,500, right?
Yes.
Only study. Okay.
All good red. That last one is looks like a dual tone.
Yeah, the tail part, right?
Yeah. The others are all full marking. We got a white eye female. I'm making sure that she's getting ready for breeding. And those things are hybrid since.
Since okay, you have since already.
Those guys are very colorful and you know these sims are very hard to
Yeah.
keep the parameters right.
So next.
These two things, these both are imported. This got for resale purpose and all of that.
I think they are in stress right now.
Yeah, they're very stressed. Head is down, color is not up to the mark.
Okay.
This is my home breed female, home breed male. Both are what I'll hold that color and so.
Again, this is fertile mill, right?
Fertile male.
I haven't cut the trim. I haven't trimmed the fins or anything because these guys are fertile males and I don't want to disturb them much. I generally don't hold, but now today I have to show the fishes, so I'm holding and showing all of them. I had around like 3. Fill marking, head a little down.
Yes. How much are these?
These things I can give for 1,500.
1,500. So people who are interested in this fishes, right, directly, shall I put your number on?
Yeah, you can.
Okay. So யாருக்கு இந்த fishes வேணுமா, I will give a contact number. Directly call him or it's better you can WhatsApp. WhatsApp okay down.
Yes.
WhatsApp பண்ணிருங்க. And
You can say this is all came from one batch only. But people like to call different names, Red KML, this, that. I'm not generally into names. I like a fish, I buy. I like to advise the hobbyist also to do the same.
okay.
Not to go behind names, run behind fancy tags.
You know what's the இப்போ என்ன ட்ரெண்ட் தெரியுமா, எவன்கிட்ட ஃபிஷ் எக்ஸ்பென்சிவா இருக்கோ அதுதான் குவாலிட்டி நினைச்சிருக்காங்க நிறைய பேர். That's the truth. But people never come like quality never comes like. Really கலர் ஹோம் breedல எவ்வளவு சூப்பரா நான் இப்போதான் நான் பார்க்குறேன். I still remember.
So very much of a pearl lover, not much to see, but if you like the red,